Welcome, today I'm with DOOGEE S40 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, just with your finger, drag one application to the another application, like this. Okay, and as can you see, you got here the new folder. Also, you can add one more application to this folder by the same way. We also can then rename this folder. Just, for example, type here the apps. If you wanna remove the application from the folder, just drag it here to the main screen. We can also move this folder between the screens by this way. Also, we can just take it back. And if you wanna just ungroup this folder, just make this by this way. And as can you see, that's really simple. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.